Wait. No, wait, through. Good boy. Have to make sure that was shut. So we have a choice on his first endurance ride, just to go on the Saturday, or we could go also on the Sunday to the same venue, different route but same venue. So I have to decide whether I feel that Frug is fit enough to do 60 kilometres, well 64 kilometres in a weekend. So I'll just have to have a think and to see if the app tells me anything. Walking on. Yes, walk on. Hello! Just a bit worried there, weren't you? So, 20 minutes to 10. We're not far down that. It's not going to take us 20 minutes to get down there. I think I'm going to just go across here, go for a little way up here and back, just to make it a full hour. Over. Good boy. Good boy, stand. No, stand. Wait. It's just awkward, isn't it, these gates that you have to lift. So you have to lift it up. Over. So you have to lift it and push it sideways at the same time. Slow. Now it's going to trot. Good boy. He's pulling like a train now because he wants to count. But we have to learn to trot through, both of us. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Good boy. Mind that there. That did it. Hello. Counter. And trot. Trot on. Canter. And trot. Good boy. Canter. Head down. Good boy. So a little stretch now. and a few canter trot transitions. Have a walk now. So I've only brought one camera with me, so once it goes, it's gone. It probably won't last all the way back to the box. Hopefully it'll give you an idea of what I'm trying to do. It's just a bit different for us because we do like speed. Both of us like speed. Canter hounds we are. But you see, if we did that, we'd be far too fast. And that'll be all right if we got up into the advanced, where you can go as fast as you like. But not at this entry level, which is novice. I'll just have to see how we get on, won't we, Farouk? I'm hoping to qualify for the Open for next year, but we have to pass 3 qualifying rounds, so they have to be within the limits. I'm not bothered about entering into national championships and all that sort of thing, because I'm not competitive. I'm just doing this because I just think it'd be something interesting for us to do, and especially as Kirsty offered to do the longer rides, he can go on without me, if you see what I mean. Oh, there's a nice little bit of grass to canter on, so we'll just have a canter up there, if we can get this gate open. Whoa, whoa, Farouk, good boy. No, I could just feel you were going to move then, Farouk. It's because you've seen that black tarpaulin, isn't it? Black plastic. I don't think he's really scared of it. It caught his eye, didn't it, Farouk? Yes, that frightened you as well, didn't it? That chain. Goodness me. Come on. Round you go, because I can't open the gate where you stood right in front of it. And step up a bit more and over. Good boy, stand. Oh, smoke flying on me. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. 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 Good boy. Okay, we're going to go back now. No. Walk. Good boy. Walk. No. I have to keep hold of him because he's wanting to go and I want him to walk now. Yes, we do. We want the walk now, Farouk. Good boy. Walk. No. Good boy. Walk. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy. He's got his weight. No, Farouk, put your head down and stop it. Got his gold bow on today. few flies about, so I'm glad I put his ear muffs on. Good boy. Good boy. Walk through. I'll just take him over here because there is a gun there. See what I mean? To frighten off the birds. But he's a good boy, weren't you? Because that's quite loud. Yes. Isn't it amazing? 3 times in a row. Steady now. Yes, that just upset him a little bit. Yes, that's just making him run forward, isn't it? You're all right, Fruit. Good boy. What a clever boy you were. Yes, you were. Yes, good boy. You can tell he's not as spooky as he used to be. You can see there's quite a lot of flies around his head. But at least they're not getting in his ears. He's got a bit of a sweat on now because it is hot. So just going to walk now for a while, just to relax all the muscles, and then we might do a little bit of trotting. I think walk is one of the best paces to get a horse fit, because you do a bit of fast work or a trot, doesn't matter, and then you walk, and I just think that is, well, in my experience, that seems to get a horse fit the quickest. Good boy. I can let the rain out now because he's calmed down, haven't you? Because he wanted to canter back, but that would defeat the object of building up fitness. So Frug will have a day off tomorrow in the field. Yes. And I'm hoping to get him out on Wednesday, even if it's just a short coral ride, just to keep him going, just to keep the levels up now. He likes to have a look about, just for see what's about and that. Not because he's going to spook, he just likes to look and see what's going on, really. He does keep a fairly straight path though, which is good. Apollo does tend to wander about a lot more. But Fruit tends to go in a straight line, but he likes to get his head and neck round and see what there is. And he does carry his head a lot lower. You see, he can put his head wherever he wants, but he is getting the idea of long and low, which is good. I have always tried to get him to do that, to stretch out these muscles here, because of course Arabs do tend to carry the head very high compared to most horses. Good boy. So it'll be interesting to see if he'll have a drink when we get back, but I doubt it. I have bought him a black feed bucket, shallow, and I'm going to get him used to it by turning off his water in his stable and putting that in for him to drink out of. So he gets used to it, so that when we're on rides, he'll look forward, hopefully, to seeing this black bucket, either with water in or maybe a little bit of moist sugar beet, just to try and get the liquid into him. He will eat carrots, so even when he's finished his ride, he'll eat carrots. So I'm going to bring him half a dozen carrots for the end of his ride, and he can have those. Hopefully, if there's grass, he will eat grass. So that's another thing, just calming him down and getting his heart rate low for going for the vetting. You've got half an hour from your finish of your ride to report to the vet, and in that time you can be cooling them off and giving them something to drink, all that sort of thing. Obviously with fruit not drinking, but I'm sure his heart, because he's so fit, I think his heart rate will come down quickly, so we probably won't have to wait the full half an hour to go to the vet. We'll probably go before then, because the sooner they get the heart rate down, you actually, I believe, you get an extra point or something for them being fit. That makes sense. If the sooner they recover from a fast heartbeat, the fitter they are, and I believe that gains you a point, I think. It's difficult to know. Right, we'll do a little trot then. No, turn up through. Good boy. Just watch what you're doing with these. That's it. Good boy. So I've slowed him down now, because he was doing his Apollo trot. But you see, that would put us too fast, even if we trotted the whole way around. It's now 10 o'clock, we're back to that gate, and then it's left down to the horse box. The battery's run out, I've switched it on to see if we can scrape out another little bit of life. Good boy. Over. And whoa. So let's lift it up, push it over, and then get your horse back. Hello, come in. Hello, Earth to Farouk, come in. Back. Oh dear, now I'm going to have to turn you around, aren't I? And of course that shuts as soon as you let go of it. Now I'm going to have to get that a different way on. No, Farouk, you're getting very wooden there, lad. Come on. Get your head down and get back. Come on. Over. Good. Over. Good. Just mind those catches. Wait. Tricky.
If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. We love reading the comments, we love emojis, and we'd love a thumbs up. If you would like to catch up on some of our older videos, just click on the Apollo icon, which will take you to our home page. We have over 1,700 videos to choose from, and you can sort by the most popular, the oldest, or the newest. Thanks for watching TTFN.